Good morning. So Monday the 5th of May, just looking at Dixie first. So Dixie on the long term, on the big time frame, we are still in this big fib. We have been hitting this 236, waiting for a break, expecting then that we would go higher to the 94.45. Never happened because we made a phase breakout above this trend line, daily trend line that we have here, and then we reversed here. An interesting thing is why we did stop there. You can see something like, I use that quite often, which I call that the fib gaps. And I measure the distance in between two important fib that has been acting very well, like this one. And you see that we stop right to the 50% of this fib gap, which is something that happen quite often. If we look now where we are on this one, for now we stop on the 61.8, which is the 31.8 at the end. So that's where we stopped today, sorry. So that's where we are now. We broke this small trend line here, but we can very easily post a phase breakout. So I don't trust that so much. Another interesting thing is to look at the other fib, the one we have here, which is shorter term. So this is the fib we took to from the bottom to this correction, this start of pullback, of bounce, and we stopped on Friday right to the 76.4, which is the official fib number. And today we dipped a little bit more to the 78.6 and bounced from it. So we can see some follow through. I'm not yet at all convinced that USD will crash now to the sub 80 levels. I still think we have a run before we go there from a wave point of view. So then if we look if we look at this fib, that was the one I was using when we came up there. Same thing, we stopped to the 236, so the 236 is very important. Now we are in between this area, which the 88.6 and the 78.6. So that's why now I look more inside that one, because we have more precision here and we see exactly why and where we stop there. Another important thing to look at is this daily open we have here that has been supporting very strongly here. I think if we would come there, we would bounce from here and probably run higher. So that's still what I'm expecting, and that's, let's say, in line with the USD CAD view and the overall USD view.